Welcome to Fine Fires YouTube. Today we're going to be firing up over here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Not only follow me on Instagram, you can follow me on Instagram. Hit the Kelly bell. Please subscribe. Hit the like button. Fired up. I'm the main host, Mondo. Let's do this. It is a very hot 85-degree weather kind of day. We're here with Junior. What's up, man?
What's up?
Did you see I'm a frog now?
Yeah, five frogs.
Yeah, Mondo the frog.
Mondo the frog.
And they made him a hefty frog.
Yeah.
So I really believe there was some inspiration.
Yeah.
I can't wait because I think that one's going to be Florida's.
Yeah.
But I'm pretty sure it'll look the same at Disneyland.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Today's updates, we're going to be doing Studio Tour, Fast and Furious, and Horror Nights.
Horror Nights.
Yeah, that's what we're here for. All of a sudden, we're starting to see 60th anniversary of the Studio Tour pop-ups. There's like new posters. Merch has arrived. We're going to be covering it all in today's video. This is exciting. This is right at the entrance. And right next to the photo op, the Universal Studios store has all the 60th anniversary Studio Tour merch. There's a lot to look at. Let's do this. Oh, even over here. Wow. There's a lot. For the 60th anniversary, we got a long sleeve t-shirt with Jaws. They got posters. They even got Studio Tour chocolate bar. What is this? Taffy. Saltwater taffy. All right. Get yourself a cup too. This is a cool keepsake. This one's 12 bucks. Get yourself a bucket hat too. Is it reversible? Not reversible. This one, 28 bucks. And then, I don't know if this is 60th anniversary. Oh, no, is it? I don't know, they just threw Jaws in here. Oh, they got a shirt over here too, all aboard. This one is 30, but it has the 60 on the side. That's the first time seeing the decal stickers. Hey, all this Woody Woodpecker, yeah. He better be out here.
I hope he comes back. He has to come back.
He's on the bucket too.
Yeah, he has to
Yeah,
come back.
shoot. Hey, and keep him for Halloween, yeah, hey, as a vampire. Dracula, yeah. Let me see, how much is this one? 27. Wow, they even got socks. In the backpack, how much is this? Here we go. It is 58 for the backpack. Oh, look at this. I like how they went with this retro vibe. It's like very different. And then the hoodie with the 60th anniversary, the Glamour Tram. 60 bucks. We got lollipops. And then, are these chocolates?
Milk chocolate.
Milk chocolates. 12 bucks. Wow. Then we got a lanyard. Very cool.
Nice pin.
Put your pass in here. Also in the same store, they got like this just theme park vibe merch, I guess. I don't even know what to call it. Just theme park vibes. Yeah, all the notable attractions. And that hoodie. I gotta see what's on the back of that. Oh, that's sick. Dude. Wow. All right. Damn. We need like a hoodie with this, yeah, with the Waterworld plane.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I'm about to take this.
That's freaking cool. What's behind the hoodie? Is it the same symbols?
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. All right. How much is that one?
That one is 57.
Okay. 28?
Oh, it's a journal.
Journal. Put it with your backpack. So much stuff. You can even get a fan. And then these patches. Freaking cool. Oh, damn. Wow. 13 bucks. That's cool. Also too, in the back corner, you can make it universal. I like that. I like that. Get engraving, embossing, embroidery, embellishments. And this is what it looks like. Very cool. And it has to be new stuff. Can't bring in something you already been worn a lot. It has to be something you bought brand new, and you can get it customized over here. Let's check out Hello Kitty, because I heard some new stuff arrived, and I'm hearing that it's like 50th anniversary of Sanrio. I didn't even know that was happening. Oh, right here, 50th anniversary Sanrio. So the wallet, 55 and 60 for the fanny pack, and then this bag also arrived. It's a Loungefly. This one's being sold for 50. And then this is a new, oh, I thought it was gonna be heavy. It's very light. 35, wow. Hello Kitty ain't cheap. I think these are new too right here. And then I'm pretty sure this sweater is new. This one's being sold for 60. Here's the assortment of backpacks and wallets that they got. They also got the Hello Kitty Chucky stuff still. Lots of variety right now. Across the Walking Dead, it looks like this is getting a refurbishment. Honestly, it gives me that like tram vibe, you know, the glamour tram with the stripes. City snack shop. We'll see what it transforms into. And still nothing at the Parisian Courtyard. I'm guessing any day now we're gonna see a tank come here. At least that's what we're assuming. Back for Fast and Furious updates. Looks like concrete's being poured now in this area, this vicinity. They're digging a lot last week on that upper lot area. You can see they're still digging over there. But I feel like the big changes that have come are on the hillside. But just wanted to showcase this real quick. Let's look at the hill. And the updates are just coming fast and furious over here. These are all holes. It looks like they're just getting ready to put foundations up and track soon enough. There's gonna be a lot of twisting and turning in this vicinity here. And then it's gonna shoot out that way. Beautiful. And most importantly, Junior, no rain. No, at least I don't think soon, right?
I did see Saturday again.
What? Oh my gosh. They can't catch a break out here. Jeez, freaking rain. Just let them cook. Let these roller coaster engineers, let them cook, man. Beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Well, this is what the times look like if you come the week after spring break. It's literally walk on everything. Nice. And here's what it looks like on the other side of the escalator. We saw these getting filled up last time. I want to see them go vertical. I want to see track connect to there. I want to see track. I want to see what it's going to look like. This is gonna be so cool. Here's a look at the facade behind the Mummy. Yeah, that's a facade. I don't think that's gonna be an exit. So that means we're all gonna be queuing up this way again. So the Mummy area is gonna be used for queue. Imagine the madness. The madness was already crazy last year. And I have a feeling Horror Nights is gonna go bigger than ever. So more crowds down here. Sheesh, I don't know how they're gonna manage everything. But yeah, that's looking cool. Too early to tell what the heck this is gonna be, other than it looks like that'll be an entrance right there on the left.
I was wrong.
Yeah.
I was wrong.
Yeah, no way they're putting that much effort into an exit. Yeah. And then all the way in the distance, this tent has now finally gone up. I don't know if I see layout being done. I can't really tell. But behind Transformers, it is up now. And that looks like a huge tent. Outside of the Quickie Mart, they got 3 characters. No way. So cool. They added banners now. It looks so nice. We got like previous attractions over the years. And then this new mural went up. Let's go admire it. That thing is awesome. Check this out. Studio tour over the years. So freaking cool. Look at King Kong. Looking amazing. And at the same time, the studio tours are changing. This is cool. Also too, the snack station right before you get on the studio tour is now open. Lots of alcohol, pretzels, you know, stuff like that. So you can take it on your trip, because the studio tour, this is gonna be a long trip soon with the 60, because you're gonna walk.
Yeah, I can't wait.
It is hot.
It's hot. It feels like summer already.
I know. It's like 85 out here.
Another hospital and a telegraph office. Now, we don't need the telegraph office anymore because of that expensive.
No, but seriously, my favorite part of this lot is the talented crew all together for me. Yeah, that's all it's gonna be. Yeah, the club rockets dropped. Oh, not if I've got the keys. Oh, that's fun. Come on, man. Well, you're done.
To our left, what we call our Courthouse Square. You might recognize that from the Back to the Future franchise. Yep. And it was transferred to be 1955, 1985, and then the distant future, 2015. For spooky, scary things. It also stood in as of water. We don't have a whole lot of different weather patterns here in Southern California, but it is the movie making capital of the world. It's our Flash Flood, everybody! Though you might recognize that from our Back to the Future movie, Wilderness Road.
We're not going that way.
80 acres of absolute wilderness. So if we need to film something that's taking place there that we like, and there's a little bit of a dip and then a huge deep area right in the center. Confirm the park closing time, which tonight is at 8 p.m. See show times for Waterworld and check wait times for rides and
What a really weird route of studio tour we had today. We went in areas we haven't been in a while, like the Mexico flash flood area, which was cool. But we still haven't gone through like the show cars and the Jurassic Park area. We didn't go through War of the Worlds or Bates Motel because they're working on the 60th stuff. And surprisingly, I didn't realize next week is the annual pass holder preview. And I got my reservation for that. So big thank you to Universal for allowing us to do that. I'm very excited. And there's going to soon to be also a media event. So lots of 60th anniversary coverage to come here on the channel. What do you think about that facade, Junior? The one at Curious George?
I really hope it's Freddy Krueger, but looking at the house, it don't look the same.
It's not matching, huh?
It's not matching.
Nightmare on Elm Street?
It don't match. I don't know. What if it's not Freddy Krueger?
It looks like a house, though.
Yeah, it looks like a house. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just hoping it's Freddy Krueger. So please let it be Freddy Krueger. 40th anniversary, 1984.
I want to hear what you guys think. What is that facade at Curious George? I really have no idea. And I do like, though, that they implementing like the side is the facade.
Yeah.
Not the ends. It's in the middle.
It's like more thicker now from the side.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's more thicker. Like, it's huge.
That's a big facade.
Yeah, it's a big facade, yeah.
So we'll see. We just need an announcement. Can we get the days?
Yeah.
Just give us the dates.
Just
at
give
least.
us next week. Just give us a date,
Something.
tickets at least.
Yeah.
Just come on.
We need some HHN news. All right, everybody. Smash that like button. Burn it.